At Soft Pull Solutions, we provide comprehensive background check solutions designed to give you the critical information you need to make confident, informed decisions. Whether you're evaluating applicants, tenants, employees, or business partners, our platform brings together the data that matters most, all in one place. From our platform, you can access a wide range of background and risk-related data, including criminal records, public records, and legal filings such as bankruptcies, liens, and judgments, employment information, eviction history, identity verification, KYC and AML, negative press and adverse media, director and principal searches of businesses, consumer and business credit reports, and, when needed, even driving records. Let's break this down, starting with criminal data. Our criminal reporting can include U.S. nationwide criminal database searches, covering available arrest records, warrants, traffic violations, and sex offender data. State and national criminal searches with felony, misdemeanor, and incarceration records. County-level felony and misdemeanor searches, including 7-year countywide coverage. Statewide and nationwide sex offender searches. And rap sheets in criminal database searches sourced from courts, departments of corrections, and law enforcement records. In addition to criminal history, many background checks also include public records such as tax liens, civil judgments, bankruptcies, and other legal filings. Employment and professional license information can confirm current and historical employment, along with company contact information and active license status within regulated industries. Identity verification is a critical component of the process. We validate names and known aliases and screen against high-risk data sources, including OFAC and international sanctions lists, anti-money laundering databases, terrorist and most wanted lists, politically exposed persons, the Social Security Death Master File, high-risk address files, and other fraud indicators. For business and financial risk assessment, background checks can also be combined with business credit data and monitoring, revealing directors, officers, and principals, adverse media, and UCC filings tied to related entities. Many financial institutions and businesses use background check data as part of a broader risk and verification process, seeking a more complete picture of an individual and, when relevant, the businesses they may be connected to. Property managers and tenant screening professionals also rely on this information to evaluate applicants, reduce risk, and help protect their properties. Soft Pull Solutions not only offers credit reports, but also background checks. Most providers do not offer both. Soft Pull Solutions brings together criminal, identity, compliance, financial, and business intelligence designed for financial services, tenant screening, and risk-sensitive industries. Explore Soft Pull Solutions background check services and see how a more complete view leads to better decisions.